In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a dumbbell press alternating on one of these exercise balls. So when we're looking at alternating exercises, I'm going to be doing one repetition on one side, bringing it down and then doing my next repetition on the other side. So you've got your dumbbells in front of you. You've also got the exercise ball. Now, firstly, what I want you to do is pick up those dumbbells with a nice straight back and then sit in the middle of the exercise ball. So once you've picked up the dumbbells, pop them on your knees, come very slowly into a position where you're sat in the middle of the ball, and you're going to start to walk your feet out away from the exercise ball. You're going to walk your feet out until your head and also your upper back is in contact with the ball. Keep your hips nice and high, squeezing your glutes, so don't sag the hips down. Bring them up nice and high, you should feel your glutes. From here, the elbows come out. The elbows are below the position of the shoulders, so they're not here, they're slightly down. And in this position, I'm going to bring one dumbbell up and in line with my chest, vertically pushing up with each repetition. Now, once you've done your desired amount of repetitions, what you're then going to do is bring the dumbbells down, bring them in, and walk yourself back up to your start position. That's how to do an alternating dumbbell press on an exercise ball. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.